Hi, I'm Jennifer Tryon, and this is the Janome Air Thread Serger. I'm going to show you how this thing works. Come on in. Okay, before I thread my first thread, I want to make sure I'm in lock mode. So I'm going to flick the switch here, turn the handle, and you hear that click. Now the machine's not going anywhere. It's locked and ready to thread. I'm going to choose my lower looper or my upper looper, whichever one I want to thread first. The dial is towards the lower looper. So I'm going to show you a different color thread, but this is your lower looper. You're going to bring it right through, has the slide in bearings here. You're going to bring it down, and now I'm going to take this thread and just tuck this thread right down into that air chamber, this little hole right here. Make sure about an inch of thread gets pushed down in there. And you also want to make sure you have enough of a tail here because all of this thread is going to get loaded through with air. Now I'm just going to lift the lever when it clicks and then push it down. See how it sucks it right through? Cool, right? Okay, for the upper looper, same thing, but I want to switch the switch to upper. Then I'm going to grab my second spool, which is the upper looper thread, bring it down the chamber below the little hook. I'm gonna make sure I have a nice blunt, freshly cut edge and just put it right down into the second air chamber. Make sure I've got a good length dangling. Lift the lever. I know, right? It's so easy and so fast. And then the other two, the needles, down through the tension discs. It can make its way over, up and around. For the right needle, it stays on the right side, but goes behind that little arm. And then I can bring down the needle threader, wrap it around, make sure the thread goes under the hook, and then just lift up, and there the needle's threaded. And all you have to do is pull this loop. Threaded. Same with this side. Pull it through the telescope, nice and high, down through the tension disc, up and around. Keep it on the left side. It needs to go behind that bar. And then the needle threader, I want to push it over to left, since it's the left needle I'm threading now, and then bring it down. Lift it up, threaded. Just pull. That was super easy. And before you start sewing, you want to switch it out of lock mode into serging mode. Make sure you put your presser foot back down and that all your threads are facing to the back left. So if you've ever felt intimidated by threading a serger, the Air Thread Serger is for you. It couldn't be easier.